Hi, this is a video on the defense against a front choke. Looking at someone grabbing with two hands. So in parallel you see this, okay, someone choking with two hands. And from the attacker side, I'm not pushing, I'm holding as a strength position or in order also to cause some harm. The important part in here is this. Currently the attack is coming, or the problem is coming from the hands. So our first response needs to be able to deal with the choke, the hands and the throat, and also at the same time execute the counterattack. You'll see different responses or different techniques regarding the distance or the length of the arms or even the type of attacker. The most common one, the one that we potentially work more, is the use of both hands and the knee. Now, you might say, okay, I'm going to put the knee and for a second, I'll be in one support. It's true. We have that, I'm going to say that caveat. On the upper hand, the small risk that this entails gives a big benefit because the knee is coming to the genital area, so to the groin, to make a groin strike. Again, the whole concept is that the attack is being made with two hands, a strong attack. The attacker has the arms bent in order to put some strength in that because it's more difficult to do this. This will be more characteristic of a push. But I'm here, okay? I am here, receive the attack. So my first step is to make sure that the two hands come close to my throat, and I use monkey hands, pushing and using both the chest and the back to make some release. I've made this with very strong people, and I can only get a little bit of opening in here, okay? With the hands. Remember, the hands are one part of the defense, and since the principle in Krav Maga is that the defense and the counter strike and the strike come at the same time, and of course we couldn't see this attack coming, it happened. That's another way to execute. We're looking at this. The attack comes, my first movement is this, opening up using the chest and the ribs and the dorsal from here, okay? Now at the same time that you do this, the knee needs to come up, okay? In the direction of the groin. There is, the only rule is to make it at the same time and in the center line of the attacker, okay? So from here, you'll be standing and the hands are coming, and this will work like a single line, okay? From here, you'll be one, and the knee, one. I'm elevating a bit much in order to be able to see. It works both sides, hands are in, the chest is out, and you should rip the shirt or you should push the hands down to make sure that there is a strong grip on his hands, and at the same time, both hands against the two of them, using your chest, your backs, and at the same time the knee is coming forward, okay? From here, this. From here, this. Common mistakes are these: trying to make eagle nest over here, or eagle wings in order to open up. It doesn't allow as much strength as that. Others are to release the hand immediately after you touch. So make sure that the practice is this. Follow-ups. You've done this, maintain one hand grabbed, put the elbow. Left knee, right elbow. One, this hand stays grabbed, this stays locked into you, and you feel that his temporary is here, so that you can put your elbow, okay? Other types, depend if the distance for some reason, if he goes back, after the knee, hand strike, and potentially front kick, okay? Again, key points, only three. The hands and the knee work at the same time. The movement is not done with arms up, but with the arms close to the body, number three. And all of them must work in tandem. The hands, the pull, and the knee, okay? These are the key 3 points that I look for in the technique. Regarding the bending of the body, it's natural to have some bend. Some, not too much. Remember that the strike is going in that direction. The more we put the body in there, there is a higher difficulty to move forward if you need to. So you should maintain your center of gravity in here. The knee, then the ability to move forward, knee and elbow. Okay? Enjoy your practice. We'll get back soon.